Let's start at the library's homepage, library.kilgore.edu. To use the library's databases, click Databases under the search bar. If you are off campus, you will be asked to log in. If you have trouble, please call the IT help desk. The databases are organized by the subject they support, so choose your class or subject. If your topic or class doesn't fall into a specific category, choose General or Miscellaneous. Academic Search Complete is a pretty broad general database to search for any subject. If we select that, we can enter immigration again in the search bar. Scrolling down, let's put a check mark in full text to retrieve only results with the full article. It may help when searching to add search terms. So instead of immigration retrieving over 60,000 results, we might search immigration and Texas. Now we get just under 2,000 results. You can add more terms to help limit your results to your specific topic. Once you've chosen an article, click one of the options for full text. Once you've read the article or skimmed it for information for your paper, you must make sure to get the citation information. This icon may look different depending on the database you're using. It might be on the top of the page, at the end of the article, on the right, or on the left of the screen. Look for a paper icon, quotation marks, a paper with a pencil, or a pen. Make sure to choose the correct citation format required by your instructor. For Kilgore College, this usually means MLA or APA, but check your assignment to make sure. You can either email the citation to yourself, copy and paste it, or export it to a citation generator. If you need additional help, use the library's Ask a Librarian function. Simply fill out the form, submit it, and anxiously await a response from one of our amazing librarians. Please make sure your email is correct on the form or you will not receive our response. You're ready. Go forth and conquer.